to my 9th Microsoft Word tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text alignment in Words. Now I have opened a document on my screen, and as you can see, the paragraph is aligned to left. And the default alignment in Microsoft Word is left alignment, which means your text goes from left to right. But if you want to align the title of the story in the center of the page, I won't suggest you to do it manually by adding space or tabs, because they won't always move to the center. You can just highlight the text that you want to align it, go to the Home tab. Under Paragraph section, you'll see there are 4 options of alignment. These are the 4 options. The first one is left alignment, which you can see my current highlighted text is in a left alignment. So if I want to put it in the center, I'll just click Center Alignment. And now you can see that my title moves automatically to the center. And there are 2 other options, which is align the text to the right and justify the alignment. Justify function is often used to align the text to both left and right margin and will add extra space between words as necessary. It is a good way to set the style of the text to make it look aligned. For example, let me highlight my whole document here and use the justification option. So now you can see the texts are aligned to both left and right margin by adding more space between each word. And this is what will happen when you use the right alignment. All the text will move to the right margin. And this is when you use the left alignment. All the text will move to the left alignment. So this is how you change or you adjust your alignment in Words. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials.